Let's do 10 Swedish words about wedding anniversaries.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Today is August 31st, which is my wedding day. Me and my wife got married on this date a number of years ago, and in this video, as I am situated here at Drottningholm Castle, I'm going to tell you the translation to every single anniversary there is, from 1 up to like 100. I should also say that this list here in Sweden is not a complete and official one. There actually isn't one. Some countries do have an official list that's been put together through, for example, the Jewelry Association of that country. But in Sweden, it's a mismatch of a lot of lists that people have started to kind of come together on. And before we start, don't forget to follow me on the Swedish language on Instagram, where I post daily updates in video form and picture form about stuff that has to do with Sweden and Swedish culture. And your first anniversary 1 year after you got married is bomull. Bomull. The second anniversary is papper. Papper. And the third year is läder. Läder. The fourth anniversary is frukt. Frukt.
Here we celebrate trä. Trä.
Anniversary number 6 is socker. Socker. Then we have ylle. Ylle. Number 8 is gummi. Gummi. We have linne. Linne. And number 10 is 10. 10. I know. We have stål. Stål. Number 12 is siden. Siden. Then we have spets. Spets. Then we have elfenben. Elfenben. We have kristall. Kristall. The light number 16 is fjäder. Fjäder. We have silke. Silke. Number 18 is the name of a character from the movie Moulin Rouge, and that is Satin. Satin. Then we have galloon. Galloon, which is that trim you have on dresses or uniforms. And number 20 is porslin. Porslin. We have nylon. Nylon. Number 22 is jute. Jute. It's a plant from the eastern places of the world, with the perspective of Europe. Then we have the plant hampa. Hampa. 24 is sammet. Sammet. Then we have a big one, which is 25, and that is silver. Silver. Same as in English. 26 is kork. Kork. Then we have balsa. Balsa, which is a tree that can be found over in the Americas. And here we start moving into different kinds of wood, and the first one is Masonit. Masonit. Then we have the lovely plywood. Plywood. When you have reached 30 years, you celebrate pärlbröllop. Pärla. Pärla. Then we have mahogny. Mahogny. Number 32 is granite. Granite. We have gneiss. Gneiss, which is a metamorphic rock. Then we have skiffer. Skiffer, which is also a metamorphic rock. We have korall. Korall. We have marmor. Marmor. Then we have tegel. Tegel. And the really romantic one, cement. Cement. The next one is graphite. Graphite. The 40th anniversary is rubin. Rubin. And then ceramic. Ceramic. Number 42 is mässing. Mässing. And the next one is plåt. Plåt. Number 44 is nickel. Nickel. Here we celebrate sapphire. Sapphire. And now we've reached bly. Bly. That's a heavy one. This one is kvicksilver. Kvicksilver. Number 48 is zinc. Zinc. And the year before 50 is aluminium. Aluminium. And then we have the one that most people know when you ask them about anniversaries and what you celebrate, and that is 50, and that is guld. Guld. Then we have krom. Krom. If you come in third place or you've been married for 52 years, you get a brons. Brons. We have koppar. Koppar. And at 54, we get to one of those little weird ones, because 54 is platina. Platina. And that's not the last time we're going to hear about that. And this one is smaragd. Smaragd. And with atomic number 75, we have Volfram. Volfram. With the atomic number of 25, we have mangan. Mangan. 58 is Bärnsten, Bärnsten. And here we have Aquamarine, Aquamarine. And number 60 is Diamant, Diamant. We have reached the anniversary of glass, glass. And based on a silicate mineral of aluminium and fluorine, we have Topas, Topas. And now we're at Jade, Jade. 64 is Emalj. I hate you. 64 is Emalj, Emalj. We have reached Kron Diamant, Kron Diamant. 66 is Uran, Uran. The next one is Opal, Opal. Number 68 is Granat, Granat. And then we have something that can also be a description of someone like me, brilliant, brilliant. Number 70 is Järn, Järn. At 75 we have Atom, Atom. And if you got married at say 18 and you live to be 98, you celebrate Platina, Platina. And yes, that is the second time this has been mentioned. If you mention Platina wedding to anyone, you will think of 80 and not the other one because Platina is cool. Yeah. And at 85 we have Mörnsten, Mörnsten. And if you get to celebrate a 90th wedding anniversary, that is Lins, Lins, which is a plant. And at 100, if you should reach a marriage age of 100, which would be questionable, or you ate all your porridge, that would be kvadrat, kvadrat. Yes, so the sun has come and gone, and before I leave you, and before you start writing, happy wedding anniversary, Martin, you might want to know that the wedding anniversary that I'm celebrating with my wife today is Ylle. Ylle. And which number was that? How many years have we been married? What year did we get married? If you attended the wedding, yes, you can spoil it. It's okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time you click on one of my videos. Bye.